Jana nilikuwa tipsy, nimwagika pisi, mara nibeke ndo yange fish. Uzuri wake umenijaa kwa kiss, nikazikumbuka ipsi, napangata lipsi. Know that you miss me, why don't you come and kiss me my baby? Antayiwe mapenzi yamekwisha, kumbuka kora baby, antayiwe mapenzi baby, hey. Na kunywa pombe nilewe, sababu ni wewe, silewi bila mpalia. Unanipatia, unanijalia. Na kunywa pombe nilewe, sababu ni wewe, silewi bila mpalia. Hey, hey, hey. La. Huyu si wako nami si wako, shukia nini kati yangu mimi na wewe? Shukia nini kati yangu mimi na wewe? Nasema shangazi na makosa mama, Bwana, sina makosa Bwana. It's gonna be funny tonight, Shanga. You ready? If you ready, somebody say bumbo clap. Yeah. It's gonna be wonderful Christmas tonight. Yes, love, that's gonna be. I'm so crazy to be doing, cause I never think you but you don't know. That's why we there never sleep, cause of my outside. When I fall in love, I got deep, cause of my outside. One time for the day, so for the show, things are cause of money, and when I'm looking at it, long time ago, I wish you know, I wish you know. But you got, I'm gonna take to you, bitch, cause you got nobody to be the unload, yeah. I'm a soft evolution, you know that I sound scared, you will talk to me, yeah, I'm soft. Come as I'm gonna do the money knocking on my door. And I keep it asking for them. See, when you try to talk shit about me, I never mind. Baby, you looking for me so bad. Outside of my soda, that's for me, cause I'm here, money. Nobody can do the kind I do. So many things I do, I wish to do. Say, my nigga, I can take in your bitch, cause you got no money to pay the landlord, yeah. I'm a star in the bitch. It's gonna be funny tonight. Do you know where you are right now? Do you know where you are right now? Where you Shanghai, Zanzibar? Let them know you in Zanzibar, baby. Let's go. See 1, 2. She make me know, like mentally, a body shape like you know. Your love queen, you know. Anyway that she go, I go follow. Yeah, do that you know. Yeah, hey, baby, I'm trying to get your attention. That's why I wanna take you vacation. Can you get that one empty location? I wanna get my last tattoo. It's gonna be a beautiful face of you.